Welcome to Dows and Clear, the video series that teaches you how to douse, how to find hidden blocks to your success, your high energy, your health, your well-being, your wealth, and kick them to the curb. Hi there, it's Colleen Flanagan, the Emotions Whisperer and Master Dowser. Today I'm at a family event, and here is my beloved canine niece, Cannella. And Cannella just returned with her mommy, my sister, from a little visit where she had to stay with a friend while my sister went on vacation somewhere. And of course, any animal, when their family is separated or apart, no matter who you let them stay with, they miss that person. And while my sister was on vacation, I got some intuitive messages from this precious dog who's not only an intuitive healer herself, but she's excellent at interspecies communication. And she gave me some messages that she was feeling distressed. And I did my best to help her out, but she still would like a little extra clearing that she said today at this event. So what I'm just going to do is show you hands-on how I work with animals and what you can do for your animals as well. No matter where you are, it doesn't have to be hands-on. You don't have to be holding them. They don't have to be in the same room or even in the house with you. Just connect with that love you have in your heart for them. Connect with your animal's heart. And use all this information at your own risk. It's very gentle, emotional cleansing. And so we're just going to douse and clear for this sweet little soul and see what kind of relief she needs. So I'm using my two hands here. And this, when I douse, using my both hands, I ask a question. And when my fingertips come together, that's a yes answer. When my fingertips fall to my palms or further down to my wrist, that's a no answer, and that's what I programmed in for myself. So I'm of course connected to Cannella here, and I'm just going to check and see what's going on with her. I know that she has some kind of distress going on, a little emotional distress from when she was parted from her mommy, even though she was with a very loving friend. So we're just going to check fear of rejection, abandonment, fear the bad times will never end. Yeah, I know. You're not being safe, fear of failure. Okay, so what we have here is, of the 5 fears I always check for, she has fears of rejection and abandonment, which is very typical, especially for pack animals, like horses in their herd, or dogs in a dog pack and in a family. Animals can just fear that the loss of their loved one because they love their family and they're family-oriented animals. So group-oriented animals. So she has some fears of rejection and abandonment because she didn't know for sure when my sister was coming back. And she also has some fears that the bad times will never end. And what that really means is basically she doesn't know when her pack leader, my sister, would be coming back. So we're just going to clear this out now. And there's a number of ways you can do it. You can use EFT, and you can tap all the acupressure places on yourself, emotional freedom techniques. You could do surrogate release work by clearing like this, which clears the governing vessel meridian as you speak the releasement statements. And you can also tap under your nose if you like, or flick energy like this. But since I have the dog in my lap, I'm going to do hands-on clearing, and that's what I want to show you. So we're already connected in our hearts and our emotions and such. And I'm just going to clear her governing vessel meridian by running my hand in the opposite direction of it. Animals' governing vessel meridians run in the same direction as humans do, from the base of their spine, like the root of their tail, the base of their tail, all the way up the spine, and ends up right here under her nose. So we'll just go in reverse. You do not have to touch the animal's hair or skin when you're doing this, and you just talk about releasing what you found with your dowsing, the fear. So I now release from this precious soul, clearing out all of her fears of being rejected and abandoned by her pack leader. Releasing her fear because perhaps before my sister rescued this dog, she felt rejected and abandoned in the past, and these old memories, these old emotions came up again like, oh no, this is happening again. We're letting go of all of her fears of being rejected or abandoned at any time in her life since she was a puppy. Even perhaps when she was weaned from her mom and she felt rejected or abandoned, or taken from her siblings, or her siblings leaving, or her mom leaving, when she was a little teeny tiny puppy and she was adopted for the first time. We're clearing that out now. And as I'm speaking this, I'm feeling really emotional, and my throat is throbbing, and I'm feeling a huge energy exchange and waves of energy moving through both of us. I just want you to be aware that you will likely feel the same thing. So we're clearing out all of our fears of rejection and abandonment now. And I'm just going to douse and see what's going on. Cannellas, fears of rejection, abandonment, not being safe, at bad times never ending. So I'm dowsing, and I found, of course, the fears at the bad times never ending about being left. And fears, right now I'm getting the vibrations from this dog that she believed that her pack leader would come back, but day after day went by because it was a nice long vacation that my sister certainly deserved. And she got lonelier and sadder, and that's just what animals do, especially if they're in a kennels. So we're going to clear out the fear that the bad times will never end, and she's showing me pictures now of her actually looking and hoping, like if someone came to the door at the lady who was taking care of her, the dog heard someone at the door thinking, oh, maybe it's my mommy back to pick me up. So we're just going to clear out the fear that the bad times will never end from all the disappointments she had when she thought maybe her pack leader had come back, letting go of all her fears now and thinking maybe she will never come back. Clearing, 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 clearing. One more time. Releasing all of her fears that the bad times will never end, letting it all go now, and so it is. And I'm going to douse real quickly about this. This dog still has some fears or anxieties now that should be cleared. She's clear of the fear of the bad times will never end, clear of the fear of rejection and abandonment. Are there any emotions in this dog that need to be cleared out? I'm getting a yes. And so I'm just allowing my mind to wander a little bit. Sadness, sorrow, betrayal. Okay, so she's got some betrayal from when my sister left. Well, this is from before she came to my sister. So we're just going to clear this emotion, letting go of this motion of betrayal in this sweet little soul's body and all her chakras through her governing vessel Meridian, and so it is. This dog still has some emotions that need to be released at this time. Anything else that is affecting her, allergies, sensitivities, intolerances, anything else, I'm getting no. So it seems like she's pretty clear. And you can do this as well. It's very simple, as you can see. Just when you're clearing, it's not important what you say, but that you work on the fear and clear that out. That's all you have to do, is just talk and clear, talk and clear, talk and clear, and you'll be amazed at your animal feeling relaxed, but at the same time will have some energy, possibly even some extra oomph, like an extra zest for life. And one last thing I want to talk about is the brachial chakra, which is located between their two shoulder blades here. Humans don't have a brachial chakra, but animals certainly do. And I'm just going to check her chakras to see if all of her chakras are at 100% functionality. And I'm just going to go really quickly and douse first chakra for the dog at 100% functionality and effectiveness. Yes. Second chakra, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, brachial chakra. Okay, so we're just going to recharge, rebalance, realign all of Cannellas chakras, especially the brachial chakra, to 100% effectiveness and functionality now. Recharge, 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 recharge. Okay, and now I'm just going to double check. Checking all the chakras. There are some chakras in this dog's energy that are not at 100% functionality and effectiveness. No. Okay, so we're done for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you have more questions, concerns, or want to see more videos and free articles, please go to my website, emorescue.com, and there's just a wealth of information for people, pets, for your children, and take action. Please don't allow yourself to just be taken over by emotions or ailments or whatever. Of course, go to the doctor, but do what you can to clear out yourself out emotionally and just allow that energy to flow and nourish your body in every way. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste. Peace out.